I'm tired, massa. I'm not go again. No. Take me to go the camp. What's up?
What's be that? Yeah? You know what make money? I say you know what make money. If you want make money, make you no tire. Make you just go. The journey no fire again.
And I'm tired. You take no go round
again.
Now say be journey to the west.
We no be journey to the west. We don't get close, eh? Don't worry.
Charlie, me I know you like that thing.
Hello? Oh man, shall I tell you so we don't make money? Hey! What's in me that? Wait, hold this one. Hold this one.
Take this one.
Hold this one. This one, now fits you. You know, say as this bag small. Now you small.
You be
make her focus on the big one. Hey!
The money plenty.
The money plenty. Make we just go sharp. Hey! As it's small, now so you small.
You think say they wide?
What you go do for the bush inside?
Officer, what if person they go do for bush? You know, go shift, no be shift.
Officer, we don't go do any bad thing. You just go check. We don't go do any bad thing.
Take that place.
What are you holding?
Oh, what's in the carry? Officer,
We can't do this one now. This officer.
Hey, don't talk. Open it. What's inside?
Officer, calm now. Come on.
come bag where money dey inside. Look at him now. The officer even want me to show you, Lord. You just carry this one like this, give you, make you take my car. Water.
I want to see your own. Open yours.
You want to see wetin me dey carry? Yes. Officer, you don't see wetin my brother dey carry now. You want to see my own money?
They stress too much. Your money talk for you.
Make your money talk.
No worry. Make the money talk.
No worry, make I no talk too much. I make the money talk now. In fact, officer, I no go use my hand open this bag. You see this bag, take am open am yourself. Anything wey you see inside, carry 10%.
That's all.
Just carry 10%. It's all yours.
You know that yourself.
In fact, anything wey you see there, carry.
Jesus!
Jesus. Yes.
What's in the bag inside?
Oh, guys, money.
Money.
M-O-Q-R-S-T.
M-O-Q-R-S-T.
Yes, that's my spelling of money.
What's in the bag inside?
I will surprise you today. Anything you do, you go to I know. Money. Talk more money.
What are you trying to say?
Say they wise. Mumu man.
Hello?
Hello, Agidigba. Are you at the place?
Yeah.
Are you very sure you're at the place?
Hey, Chairman, we don't reach there now. We don't the waka since. We never see anything.
Okay, right in front of you, raise your head up.
Make I raise my head up.
Yes. When you go for it a little, you will see 2 bags.
Okay, now 2 bags.
Take the small one and give the big one to him.
Okay, sir.
Run.
Officer can explain. Go down. Officer can explain. Go down. Officer can explain.